Welcome to Mikecolesvids. I appreciate you tuning in. Today, we're cooking wings at Castle Cole. Although I'm pulling these wings down, they look absolutely delicious. It all started last night. What I'm trying to go for here is to cut off any janky stuff that's on these here wings. Oh shit. Is it not on? Move some salsa and some champagne out of the way. Get them wings in there. Nice. Alright, this is ignition. Here we are at 5 minutes in. Just getting going. I use one of these little starter sticks, and once that dies out, I'll put the miniature fan on it. Alright, 20 minutes in. Just letting it get hot. It's 400 degrees. 450 right now. Yeah, I'll chill that out. Try to heat up the plate setter a little bit. Damn it. Alright, I set these wings out a little bit in advance, try to get them up to room temperature before they go on the grill. There we are, and right, perfect then. 275, 30 minutes in. It's about norm. These were intended to be just plain Jane. They got a little bit of juice on them. I should have used separate plates, but I was lazy. These have some kind of new rub that I'm not sure what it's called. It's orange, KTM orange rub. Second set I'm putting on are kicking chicken. This is the majority. I try to align them within the plate setter itself. I think anything outside that plate setter is going to get a little bit more cooked. There we go. And that's what I'm talking about. Let's close this sucker up. So from start to application of wings is about 35 minutes. We'll close this thing up. See what kind of temperature it settles at. Up down to 200. We're in fine shape. This is going to be absolute perfect smoke. Beautiful day today too. Here's a look at 30 minutes in. "45 minutes in, looking good. Still cooking at just less than 300 degrees time. At 1 hour, I will stir the coals and give it an assessment of the wood. We'll see. Some of the tools I use, I have this glove that lets me grab super hot stuff, I guess. I got a pair of channel locks. I got this stick thing. And then I got wire brush. Those are my tools for cooking on the egg. These things are looking right. 1 hour in, we're gonna give them a flip. It's an hour and 25 minutes. These things are jamming. It was low and slow, that set. That was down to like 250. I think they're done. They've been on for like an hour and 45 minutes. Sample.